scenes as I've done so far. So I will bring in a character, as I said as well, that you're able to create animation for games. So let's close our top view now. So here we have a little character animation. If we look at all the character, let's see if there's deformers here. And basically all of the character is using deformers. So all of the animation is done through manipulating the deformers. Some other things that are interesting is the fact that in the effects, you have something called a cutter, which is basically a mask. And you can decide to mask something within or outside of other assets. So let's just click here. You can see the pupil only shows through the eye because of a cutter. Now, let's talk about deformation again. The game bone is the bone that you'll want to use when it comes to creating, deformation on a character when you want to send it to a game engine like Unity. So if you rig something with just the bones and you try to send it to Unity, you will not get the exact same result animation-wise. So it's way better for you to create your bones with a game bone. Once it's done, so if we look at, for example, the arm here, you can see that the arm is pretty much straight. It's just been shaped or positioned through the use of all the deformations. Now, we are also able to export all of this to the game engine. And so the engine of our choice is Unity, but basically you are able to export to other game engines if you wish. I'll just go and get my script that I need. Export to sprite sheet, bring it in my toolbar. We see the little script appeared. Now, what we do pretty well is when you export, we allow you to export to multiple resolutions at once. So usually it's a thing that people have to do over and over again. There are some that come by default. As you can see, you can click on the plus sign and add your own. When you click on export, let's have a look at what it does. It will basically create a sprite sheet that looks somewhat like that. Once in Unity, we have a package that you can download from the Unity store called Harmony. And it will basically bring in all of the different folders that you need in order to run the integration between Harmony and Unity pretty well together. Something we can see in the scene section, I'll just load the game previewer. I'll be able to access all of the different animations of my character through here. All right. Other things we're able to do are adding some lighting through Unity that will impact the character in different ways, and you can see also the shadow is impacted. You'll also be able to, basically we export many different files, the sprite sheet, but also XML files that give all of the animation information and like rigging information and all that. But it's also a file that you can extract data from in order, for example, to give a location from the character that is then used by Unity to, in this case, shoot out things from a gun. 5 minutes over time, but I'm now open for questions.